Hey there, I'm Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis tracking Tropical Storm Julia forming on Tuesday night right along the northeast coast of Florida. That's going to be a heavy rain maker for coastal Georgia and possibly some inland areas too, and also parts of the Carolina coast. So rain's going to be the big issue from that as it's tracking generally toward the north-northwest. Meantime, back here at home, we're still going to maintain a chance for showers and storms, even though we're not experiencing Julia directly. 50% chance of rain on Wednesday, down to 40% Thursday and Friday. That's the forecast. Make it a great Wednesday.